Australian sailing company KA Sail specialises in the design and manufacture of high-performance yachts, sails and related accessories. Established in 1991, KA created and owns the Wasp brand of yacht, which is sailed in 44 countries worldwide. KA Sail headquarters looks after R&D, testing and prototyping, repairs and dispatch of the boats, sails and other accessories to customers and agents around the world. The Pinnacle storage range was perfect for taking this warehouse to the next level. The dispatch area was the first priority. Products need to be picked, packed and sent quickly and efficiently. 4 three-tier industrial benches in a row provide a large workbench area for handling parts of all shapes and sizes. The adjustable shelves and magnetic hooks and clips help to store tools and materials close to where they are needed. Next, the busy workshop, complete with literally hundreds of tools, materials and equipment needed to be set up to bring greater organisation and efficiency. The first part of this solution was heavy-duty timber top workbenches, each able to hold up to 500 kilos. Next, pegboards, hooks and benchtop organisers. A wide range of tools and equipment are now visible, easy to find and not cluttering benches. Also mounted to the walls are Pinnacle's slimline cabinets, ideal for spray cans, tubs, tins and other smaller items. Best of all, mobile cabinets under the benches allow the guys to store specialised tools and can be moved to work on boats outside the workshop area, saving time and improving safety.
Efficiency is everything in any business, and what we've got now compared to what we had before is going to be better in so many ways. Just not only in just efficiency of doing this and doing that, but where our heads are. You know where the stuff is. You can go and do it. It just feels good, and that's really important. Heads will roll if this doesn't stay as beautiful as this, because it's just great.
Available exclusively at Bunnings Warehouse.